So this is today's Sudoku. Difficulty rating, I notice 5-star. But my experience in the local paper, 5-star, really, oftentimes it's not that difficult, but we'll see, we'll check it out. Let's get ourselves a tea. Okay, we're settled in, and let's tackle this one. Let's see, look for easy ones. What's the first one I see here? Well, let's just go through the numbers. 1. So 1 and 1 doesn't help. 1 across doesn't help. And 1 up, 1 across doesn't really help. 2. I see only 1, 2. 3s, I see several 3s. Excuse me, let's see if it helps us. Okay, so 3, 3, and 3. And that's safe to say. Having said that, we can tackle all the 3s, I guess, because 3 across and 3 across. And put it in this cell. And then we go 3 up and 3 up. We completed this one. So I notice an 8 across here, and then 8 up the columns here. That leaves us with that 8 right there. I can do a quick one with the 7s. I've just noticed that. Since we have a 7 right here going across, we notice at the top, the 7 must be in either of these 2 cells, because there's a 7 there. Well, regardless, we know that the 7 is in the top line, so it cannot be in either of these 2 cells. And this 7 across, it cannot be in this cell. Therefore, we know the 7 goes here, right? That will give us the 7 up here, because the 7 across, and the 7 up. That'll confirm this 7 right here. I just want to put a little note on the side, since I have these 2 boxes remaining. So we need a 2. And an 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 2 and an 8 go there. Oh, I didn't realize, of course, when I had added the 3 in this cell, it gave me the opportunity to get the 4s out of the way here, because we have a 4 and a 4. Well, this 4 is insignificant, but this 4 and this 4. I'm wondering, you probably saw it. It's right in front of us. Regardless, that's done. And of course, the 1 and the 1 will give us this 1 right here. So I'm looking at this box just quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need a 6 and a 9. 6 and 9. I'm just going to put a note. 9 and 9, right? So I'll put 9. I know a 9 has to go there. 1 on either of these 2 boxes. Okay, missed the 4 again. 4 across, 4 down, and 4 up. So the 4 goes here. There we go. We know that the 5, the 5 must go here, and the 1 as well. So that obviously, if we count this down, 9, 8 must go here, right? Because it's 7, 6, the 5, 3, 2, and the 1. So process of elimination, I guess. The 8 goes right here. There we go. And the 5 and the 1 will go in either of those 2 boxes. So that gives us the 8 right here, because there's 8 down, 8 up, 8 across, the 8 goes there. There we go. And then we go 8 across, and 8 across, and 8 down. And this is probably going to give us all the 8s, I guess. 8 across, 8 across, 8 down, 8 is there. 8, 8. So 8 top, 8 8 top, 8 bottom, and 8 and 8 on the center and right. So here we go. So now this completes this row, because we said the 2 and the 8, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that can, all the 8s are done. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. There we go. So in this case, we have the 1 and the 1, right? Because the 1 cannot be here. So forget about this box. So the 1 and 1 here, okay? And the 1 and 1 here, because we confirmed you cannot have a 1 here, here, here. So if there's a 1 here in this box, it cannot be here. Then it will have to absolutely be here, right? And vice versa. So that means that these 2 rows, the 1s are taken. Therefore, 1 and 1. Here we have 1 and 1. But if this is taken by this game right here, then you have to put the 1 right here. The 1 must go here, right? I did not see the 4s. The 4s and a 4. There's a 4, there's a 4. And there's no 4 here. So 4 must go there. Why did I not see that? Wow. Just staring at other things and completely ignoring the obvious. I guess that's it, right? Now we'll confirm the 1 goes here. And then we'll confirm the 1 goes here. 1, 1, and 1. So we can finish our 1s, obviously. No 1 here. Oh, I'm sorry. 1 and 1. When I put the 8, I expose this block here. There's no 1 and there's no 1, so the 1 absolutely goes here. There you go. There's your 1s are complete there. This is not that difficult, but I'm struggling for no reason, I guess, because there's a 9. No 9 here. We can put it here. There you go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. We have the 4 at the top here. Now it exposes this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. can safely put the 5 here because of this 5. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 6 and 7 right here. We know that. So that means the number 2. Oh, well, obviously. You see? I did it again. I'm looking elsewhere and away from the obvious. This happens. I mean, happens with all of us when we're playing. We're so focused on certain patterns or certain logic, and then the obvious ones are right in front of your nose, and you completely miss it. Just like the easy 5s right here, 5 and 5 and 5, because now you got to go back and see the numbers you recently put. What do they open up, right? So 5, 5, and 5, that's done. The 2 that I put here opens up the opportunity to put the 2 right here. There we go. 2 and 2. And just looking at these 2 boxes here to complete, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just going to put 6, 7, 8, and 9. Just quickly, I'm going to write 6 and 9 up here so that we can count down. Let's count down from 9. 9, 8. Right away, we know we're missing a 7. Right? And then the 6 must go up here. 6 and 9, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So that confirms the 7 goes right here. Correct? Because the 6 and 9 must occupy either of these 2 cells. So if you count down 9, 8, there's your 7. There's your 6 in either of these 2 boxes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay? And having done that, we can complete this box right here. So we have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I like to check all the boxes, and especially with the hard ones. This one is quite easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Everything is in order. Because I'm not using a computer. This is manual. So often, if you do it, I mean, some computers will tell you, oh, you're not allowed. You put the number twice in the line or in the box. But when you're doing it manually, you got to check everything, and you need to memorize a lot. Try to remember a lot, because you can't put notes everywhere. It makes a mess, right? Another easy one that I missed is the 1. And that's obvious. And 1 and 5. I'm running out of ink. 5, 5, 5, and 5. 2, 2, and 2. See that 1 and 5 that I neglected to notice, as I was saying before, staring at another thing. But that's good for you. As you're watching me, you can be screaming, saying, "Don't you see it? Don't you see it?" I do that sometimes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have the 6 here. 7, 8, and 9. So the 7 and 9 go there. So here we have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There you go. we can just clean up. We should be able to clean up other places as well. We have 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, and 2 goes there. 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 4. 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, and 6. Here you go. We can just go up and say no 6 here, therefore the 6 is here, and the 9 will be here. I'm going to stick with the easy ones, 2 across. Let's stick with the easy ones, which will open up everything. And stop making those easy errors. The 2, there you go. There's the 2, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's just put the 6 here right away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 8 and 9. 6, 7, 8, and 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 8, and 9. And we have one left, which I didn't see. Where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And there you go. Done.